Okay, you're probably wondering what on earth I'm doing here with all this stuff scattered about. Well, the issue is there is this LED light strip from Hansshow that like will give you the turn signal and the someone at your side, the blind spot warning, etc. Like right now I've got the door open, so that lights up red, and that works great when its power cord is plugged in here, first one in the daisy chain, right? Works great. Problem is that, and right now I have also the one for the front light bar that goes between the two headlights. I have that plugged in second because I just wanted to see if that worked beyond it. I'll have to close the door to find that out. But what I'm finding is that I also have, of course, the power plug for the rear view mirror. That's this one here. And what I'm finding is that if this one is plugged in first, and then the LED one is plugged in after that in the daisy chain, LED won't work. Conversely, if the LED is plugged in first and then the mirror is plugged in after that, it doesn't work. So I'm trying some different combos to see if I can find any that actually will make everything work. It would appear that the wiring from that front light bar is the one that passes through the most signal, because the other thing I have to listen to is the speaker. Like right now it's not playing any sound. The reason being is that I plugged in the Hansshow LED strip power cable here right after that front light bar cable, and the sound went away. So let me make a couple more combinations and I'll come back. Okay, right now I have just that front light bar power cable plugged in, so of course the LED strip is out, but we are getting music out of the speaker. So this front light bar, at least the current one, that used to have a problem with maybe making speakers buzz in its first generation, they must have fixed that because that powers the speaker just fine. So now we're going to take it out of the equation and go with just the, for example, just the LED power. Okay, now we have just only the LED power, okay, is the only thing that's plugged in down there. And sure enough, the LED strip is on, but guess what? No sound out of this speaker. Other speakers, yes. This speaker, no. I can put my ear right up to it. There's no sound. So this Hansshow LED light strip power cable does not support sending power into this wire from Tesla that goes up in here, and one of the things it powers is this speaker. So that's an issue. All right, let's look at the rear view mirror and see what we get out of that one. Okay, so now I have the rear view mirror power wire as the only one plugged in. Sure enough, the rear view mirror is on. Great, but guess what? That's right. No sound coming out of that speaker. Put my ear to it, absolutely nothing. So again, the Hansshow wiring does not support the audio playing from there. And now we'll start getting into some of the daisy chain problems where we put one item after the next. Okay, so this time we have the LED power plugged in first. Remember, power's coming from here, so it's flowing into the LED one. Then the second one I have plugged in is the mirror cable, right, that goes to the rear view mirror. Guess what? LED power strip on, no sound from speaker, and no power to the mirror. So Hanshow's cables, if the mirror cable is, or if the LED cable is first, mirror cable is second, no power to the mirror. If the mirror cable is first and LED cable is second, no power to the LED. So Hansshow is not passing power for items downstream, which is sadly very unfortunate because it means you can't daisy chain currently anything with a Hansshow product. Now I can take this front light bar and put it in first, and then we'll put the LED behind it, and then we'll put this in first and we'll try the mirror behind it, and we'll see if those combos work. That's what's up next. Okay, so this time I have the front light bar harness plugged in. Front light bar is powered. That's followed by the LED strip power wire, and guess what? LED strip is powered. And then I left the mirror after that, and of course, no mirror since the Hansshow LED strip is not passing that. So at best, I can get 2 out of 3 items here, and I haven't even talked yet about installing a secondary screen, which would also need to tap in here. So the failure right now is definitely in the Hansshow wiring, in that it does not support anything downstream. And of course, I have no sound out of the speaker because both of these Hansshow ones are not passing any sound. If I unplug both of them and plug in just the front light bar, I will get sound out of the speaker, as I showed in an earlier video. So at this point, simply to test the LED strip, I'm going to leave it like this, even though I have no power to my rear view mirror at the moment, just so I can go out, drive around a little bit and test it out.